Hazel enjoys quiet mornings and collecting shiny pebbles, but she dreams of adventure. One day, Hazel discovered a hidden wooden door leading to a garden full of magic. In the garden, there are glowing flowers, singing vines, and floating lights like tiny stars. Hazel encountered some creatures who told her that the garden was losing its magic because the golden seeds were missing. Hazel agreed to help. Her task is to cross the rainbow bridge, go through the flower tunnel, and enter the maze. Hazel learned to use her wisdom and kindness to help others, and they in turn helped her. Finally, Hazel discovered the golden seed trapped in the crystal. She released it and returned it to the garden. The garden flourished more than ever, and Hazel became a hero. Hazel knew the garden was always there, and even the smallest hedgehog could have courage.